What's going on, everyone? So you found your dream home. How do you submit an offer? What I would do first is I would get with your agent and have them run a CMA. A CMA just stands for Comparative Market Analysis. All this is a report that shows the previously sold homes in your area. It'll show you the list price, sold price, how long they were on the market, and this you can use this information to put together a nice offer just to see what the area is doing. After this, you want to ask the listing agent some questions. Are there any other offers? What's included with the home? Now, because everything in real estate is negotiable, these are a few things you can change on the contract. First, closing date. If your loan officer tells you that they can close earlier, then you can go ahead and provide a shorter closing date. Option period. Option period is a big one. Option periods are used for inspections. We'll get into inspections after this video. So an option period gives you a set amount of time to back out of the contract for any reason. You can choose to make this shorter or longer depending on how you want your offer to look. Earnest money. The earnest money is like a deposit. It's like a deposit that you put down on the house. That way you have skin in the game. It shows the buyers, it shows the sellers that you are serious. Usually normal is 1%, but like I said, nothing is set in stone. We can go higher, we can go lower depending on what you want to do. Closing cost. A lot of first-time homeowners ask for closing cost assistance. Depending on what the market's doing, and we can ask for closing costs, see if the sellers will accept it or counter it. Thank you guys for watching. Next video will be up next week. I hope you're all learning something. Go ahead and just like and share this with anyone who might need it. Thank you.